Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on a Ford Transit. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety gloves. Always ensure your Ford Transit is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin. The battery location can vary, but it's often found under the driver's seat or sometimes under the hood, depending on your specific model. Safety first. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal cable first. This is crucial for safety to prevent accidental short circuits. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Be very careful not to let your wrench or any metal object touch both terminals simultaneously. Finally, unfasten any clamps or straps holding the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with your brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into its designated spot, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, attach the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are tight and secure. You're almost done. Give all your connections a final double check to ensure they are tight and properly seated. There should be no wiggling. Now, start your Ford Transit to confirm the new battery is working correctly and the engine turns over smoothly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated on the go. Regular battery checks can extend its life, so keep an eye on it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.